Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to connect radio Bluetooth in car. Firstly, open the settings on the smartphone and tap Bluetooth and switch it on. Turn on your car's ignition and radio system. Press the Bluetooth or phone button or the radio, then select pair device or add new device from the radio menu. On your phone's Bluetooth menu, look for your car's Bluetooth name and tap on it to start pairing. Some systems require a 4-digit PIN. If prompt, enter the code shown on your car radio display. Some newer cars may have automatic pairing and won't require a code. Your phone will show a confirmation message once connected. Select Allow for contact sharing if using hands-free calling. You can set the car's Bluetooth as the default audio connection. Play a song from your phone's music app to check if audio plays through the car speakers, and try making a call to test hands-free functionality. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.